Hello there, Dr. Kehoe here with Health from Within in Orland Park, Illinois. I'm here today to talk about a very common condition that people will deal with on a day-to-day basis, and we see people in our office come in with this problem all the time, and that is the sciatic nerve, or sciatica as people call it. So talking about sciatica today, it's a real pain in the butt, frankly. So I'm going to explain today what sciatica actually is, because there's some misconceptions surrounding it and people think things are sciatica that really aren't. So I'm hopefully going to clear that up. I'll explain what can cause sciatica and then what you can do about it to get relief and get that problem corrected. Okay, so what sciatica is it's irritation on what's called the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve is actually the biggest nerve in your body by diameter. It's the thickest nerve in your entire body. So the sciatic nerve is actually composed of a bunch of nerve roots that come out of your low back. So the bottom two in your lumbar spine, L4, L5, and then S1, S2, S3 all come out from your low back, come together, form the sciatic nerve, and then that sciatic nerve travels down your leg. Okay? And when these nerves come together, they form the sciatic nerve, and it is actually about the size of a penny, which a lot of people don't realize how large the sciatic nerve really is, which explains why it's so easy to be compressed on. So it's about this big, and it travels down your buttock. So those nerve roots come together, they form the sciatic nerve, then that sciatic nerve travels down your buttock, down the back of your leg, and then branches of it go into your calf and down into the foot. So irritation on the sciatic nerve at any one of those points can cause pain down into the buttock, down the back of your leg, into your calf, and even into the foot. It's usually a shooting or sharp or stabbing type of pain is how most people describe it when they have sciatica. So that is where you might feel the pain if you do indeed have sciatica, down the back of your leg primarily, and maybe even into the calf or foot. All right, so what can cause sciatica? So irritation anywhere along the path of that sciatic nerve is what can cause the sciatic type pain down that path. So we'll start at the top. So starting at the top, those nerve roots, so like I said, L4, L5, S1, S2, and S3 all come together to form that sciatic nerve. So irritation at any one of those nerve roots can cause pain down the path of the sciatic nerve. So as chiropractors, that's what we look for. We look for the irritation to those nerves. The next thing that can cause it is all the muscles that surround your low back and your pelvis. You have a lot of big, expansive muscles that surround your low back and pelvis. So those muscles becoming tight or pulled like they're not supposed to be can put pressure on that very large, penny-sized sciatic nerve along the course of its path. So a big cause of that is when the pelvis or sacrum shift out of alignment, as we call a subluxation. They can shift out of alignment and pull the muscles tight down in your buttock and your low back. You can pull those muscles tight and can ultimately press on that big sciatic nerve and can cause pain along that path. So what we look for here in our office as chiropractors is really what the cause of the sciatic nerve pain is. So what we want to look for is it being irritated at the root, down at the level of the spine? Is it being irritated more at the level of the muscle in that gluteal region? Is it a combination of the both? We do our examination and figure out where exactly the problem is coming from. And then we use our chiropractic adjustments and what we do here in the office to correct that problem, take the pressure off of the nerve, off of the nervous system, and allow the sciatic nerve to work properly again, and ultimately takes away the pain that you experience. So I hope this has cleared up some of the information about sciatica. If you have any more questions, anything that wasn't clear or I didn't cover, please feel free to comment them below. We'll get back to you and answer any of those questions. Or if you or somebody that you know is dealing with this sciatic type pain, we do have a great solution, so come on in and see us and see if we can help you out. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.